I am Sushri Marana, student from the Faculty of Architecture. Today I will be presenting the basic principles of sanitation. In this presentation, we will briefly cover the history and importance of sanitation, scope and objective of sanitation, types of basic principle of sanitation. We will also look at the challenges, key concept and terminology, SWOT analysis, and we will gonna end up with conclusion. This slide shows how sanitation has progressed through history. In ancient and medieval periods, civilizations like Roman had advanced sanitation systems, but during the Middle Ages, those systems declined, leading to the frequent disease outbreaks. The Renaissance and the 19th century brought major advances thanks to the germ theory introduced by scientists like Pasteur and Koch. Cities began to building modern sewage and water systems. Moving into the 20th century, the World Health Organization promoted global sanitation, focusing on hygiene, waste management, and reducing environmental impact. And now, in the modern era, sanitation is strongly linked with sustainability. The UN's Sustainable Development Goal 6 aims to ensure clean water and hygiene for everyone by 2030. Now let's talk about why sanitation is so important in our daily lives and communities to keep us safe and healthy. First, it protects public health by preventing the spread of diseases and promoting hygiene. It also ensures a clean water supply, giving us access to safe drinking water and reducing contamination risk. It also helps manage waste efficiently through proper sewage and waste disposal, which reduce pollution. Sanitation systems improve air quality by preventing mold and bad odors with proper ventilation. It also enhances comfort and livability, keeping our surroundings clean and pleasant. It increases building longevity by avoiding structural damages caused by leaks and poor drainage. It also supports sustainability by encouraging eco-friendly practices and conserving water resources. Next is scope and objective. Starting with the overview of basic principle of sanitation. First, we have water supply systems which ensure access to clean and safe drinking water. Then waste disposal system focusing on proper management of both solid and liquid waste. Drainage and sewage systems are also crucial. They help prevent water stagnation and reduce pollution. And lastly, ventilation and air quality control, which protect us from airborne diseases, mold, and unpleasant odors. Now, coming to the objective of sanitation and building services. Public health protection is the top priority, reducing disease transmission through safe waste handling and hygiene. Then clean water and hygiene, which ensure both safe drinking water and promotes personal hygiene. Environmental sustainability is also an important goal, controlling pollution and maintaining clean surroundings. And finally, education and infrastructures play a vital role by raising awareness and helping build long-term sanitation systems. Let's move to the types of sanitation. First, water supply sanitation. This focuses on ensuring potable water through methods like filtration, purification, and safe storage. It also involves preventing contamination in pipelines and storage tanks, which help protect public health and ensures consistent water quality. Second is waste management and disposal. This type of sanitation deals with proper garbage collection and segregation. It includes the safe disposal of hazardous and biodegradable waste, which help reduce pollution and improves environmental hygiene. Third, drainage and sewage system. This system preventing waterlogging and stagnation, which can lead to mosquito breeding and waterborne diseases. It also focuses on efficiently channeling wastewater to treatment plants, helping maintain a clean and safe environment. Fourth is ventilation and air quality. This prevents the spread of airborne contaminants. It also helps in reducing humidity and preventing mold growth, which contribute to healthier indoor environment. Fifth, personal hygiene practices. This involve maintaining cleanliness by regular bathing, brushing teeth, wearing clean clothes, and taking care of overall personal grooming. Such habits preventing illness and maintaining good health. Then there are hand washing protocols. Proper hand washing technique is a powerful way to prevent the spread of infection and diseases. Then there is industrial and commercial sanitation. This focuses on managing waste from factories and commercial buildings, ensuring that harmful waste doesn't contaminate the environment. It also involves strict compliance with the health and safety regulation, which is crucial for the well-being of both workers and consumers. Then we move on to the public waste management. This involves the organized collection, recycling, and disposal of waste in our communities. Limitations and challenges of basic principle of sanitation. First, resource constraints. Many regions faces limited financial resource and funding, making it difficult to build and maintain sanitation infrastructures. In rural and undeserved areas, the lack of proper infrastructures further delay progresses. Second, implementation challenges. There are logistical issues in deploying and maintaining sanitation facilities. In addition, cultural and behavioral barriers often prevent people from adopting proper sanitation practices even when facilities are available. Lastly, regulatory challenges. Inconsistent policies and standards across regions create confusion and inefficiencies. Moreover, enforcement issues and gaps in oversight mean that even existing sanitation laws are not always followed or implemented properly. Let's take a look at some key concepts and technical terms. First, we have wastewater treatment. This is a multi-stage process including primary, secondary, and tertiary treatment which help remove contamination and ensure that water is safe for disposal or reuse. Next, sewage system. This include network like sanitary, stormwater, combined and septic system that transport and treat wastewater to prevent pollution. Sanitation refers to the measures taken at personal, household, industrial and public levels to maintain hygiene and prevent the spread of disease. Pathogen control involve methods like filtration, biological and chemical treatment, UV light and heat to eliminate harmful microorganisms from water and waste. And finally, wastewater cover how we handle solid, liquid and hazardous waste through processes such as disposal, recycling and sustainable practices. Now, key operational concepts. First, we have standard operating procedures or SOAPs. These are detailed step-by-step guidelines that ensure all sanitation activities are carried out safely, efficiently, and in line with regulatory standards. They help minimize errors and improve consistency. Second, quality control measures. These involve regularly testing parameters like pH, BOD, COD, and pathogen levels. It ensures that our system comply with environmental and health regulations. Third, look at monitoring system. These use real-time sensor and data logging to track system performance. They help detect inefficiency early and prevent treatment failure. Fourth, maintenance protocols are critical. They include routine inspection, cleaning, and equipment upkeep. This not only prevent unexpected breakdowns but also extend the lifespan of the system. And finally, emergency response plans. These outline quick coordinate actions to manage spills, failure, or contamination event. They are essential for protecting public health ecosystem and ensuring uninterrupted facility operations. Now let's take a look at SWOT analysis. Starting with strength, we are seeing the rise of advanced sanitation technologies that significantly improve efficiency. Additionally, there is a growing global awareness about hygiene and public health which supports better sanitation practices. Next, the weakness. Implementing urban system often comes with high initial cost. Another challenge is maintaining sanitation infrastructure in older buildings where retrofitting can be complex and expensive. Moving on to opportunities, there are of innovation in eco-friendly sanitation solution which is promising for sustainability. Plus, both government and private companies are investing more in sanitation projects, opening doors for further development. Finally, the threats. Climate changes continue to affect water availability, posing a challenges for consistent sanitation service. And with rising urban population, there increasing pressure on existing sanitation system to meet higher demand. Now, conclusion. Let's summarize the key points. Firstly, sanitation in building play a vital role in promoting hygiene, protecting public health, and ensuring environmental sustainability. Secondly, having efficient system for water supply, waste disposal, and ventilation is not just beneficial but absolutely essential. And finally, even though challenges remain, we are seeing great progress thanks to innovative solutions and smart technologies that are transforming sanitation practices. Now for some final thoughts. To truly make a difference, government, industries and individuals must work collaboratively to maintain and improve sanitation system in all type of building. Looking ahead, the focus should be on sustainable and scalable solutions, especially in the face of environmental changes and population growth. With the right efforts and innovation, we can ensure a cleaner, healthier future for everyone. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.